of Romaine Healthy. Today on this episode we are going to make ricotta cheese. So I know this is an important episode because a lot of people, when they are going plant-based, really think they're going to miss cheese or do not know how they're going to live without it. And it may seem overwhelming to think how you're going to substitute cheese because it is in everything, or it seems like it is. So one of the cheeses that people think is hard to replace is ricotta cheese. So some say ricotta, whatever you want to call it. And it really isn't hard at all. So I'm going to give you a couple ingredients to throw together in your food processor, and it comes, you can make it in minutes. So this is a much healthier version than the ricotta cheese that you buy at the store, which has loads of cholesterol and saturated fat, and especially the dairy in there. Obviously, we've talked about before how that can make your body inflamed and it can cause stomach upset, and the whey protein in this ricotta cheese can cause acne and inflammation. So we can replace all that with all these healthy ingredients: cashews, tofu, miso, these things that are actually going to build your microbiome and calm the inflammation and be healthy for you. So not only is this a swap, but it is an upgrade. So we're going to upgrade your ricotta cheese. It's going to taste delicious. You can use it in lasagna, in your baked ziti. You can use it just as a dip, whatever, or even stuffed shells. So without further ado, let's get started with our ricotta cheese.